Why you should have an online store. If I can sell on Etsy, eBay, and other shopping sites, why have an online store? Don't get me wrong, it's good to sell on the mainstream shopping sites. But if you have your own shop online, you don't have the listing fees that are associated with Amazon, eBay, and other similar selling platforms. And whether you sell an item or not, you still have to pay to list your product. And when you're paying fees for items that haven't even sold yet, you may as well be doing this. Don't forget there are also fees once the product is sold that you will have to pay. Additionally, you can send free traffic from social media and other sources to your own store. Social media traffic is much of the time free once you know how to use it to push your products. Even if you do use shopping engines like Etsy, you can always get return customers to go back to your shop to purchase later down the road. Again, this saves from having to pay listing and sold item fees. It's easier for repeat customers to refer others to your online store instead of trying to show them how to find you on eBay and Amazon. As with repeat customers, those referred by word of mouth can go directly to your store and pay there. And with these consumers, you will never have a fee with an item they purchase. Lastly, your store brands you as the owner. With the shopping sites like eBay, Etsy, and others, it will never be yours. If you want to have your own online shop or store built for you, please click the proper button below. You'll see where to contact me to talk to you about the store, your needs, and the cost. We also have a few split pay options. This way you can pay the total cost out over several months, even though we will get the store up and running before your payments are finished. Why not click the button below and let's talk about getting your very own online shop.